Right, a little bit of a tip with things like Photo-etch, as you could see just here. Just put a bit of Photo-etch down. I have used microcrystal clear to put it down. Don't really want to use super glue when it's like a bit of a mesh, because once you get super glue in that mesh, it's a nightmare. At least with the PVA glue, you can wipe it out the little holes in the mesh. Little tip is just to have that bit of added strength, like that kind of bit of extra sort of security with putting down your bits of Photo-etch. I'm going to come back with a micro crystal clear. I'm just going to do this on my bench. A little bit of water. Probably should use a palette or something, but hey ho. Right, so a little bit of water. I'm now going to, on a brush, get a bit of our micro crystal clear. Right, nice and easy, and I'm going to just thin this right down, right, because what we want to do is make a really nice thin milky kind of consistency with the micro crystal clear, right, which is probably nicely about that now. And all I'm going to do is round the edges, just to get you to focus, there we go, just around the edges. Right, I'm just going to sort of paint this in, and the whole idea is to get this micro crystal clear in a thin down form to like suck down onto all the edges, just to make sure, right, that we've got micro crystal clear glue sucked in underneath that bit of Photo-etch just there, to make sure every contact point has some micro crystal clear on there. I can then sort of clean my paintbrush off with just the water, right, and we could probably just sort of tidy up a few of these edges, right, maybe a bit of a kitchen paper towel, right, to then make your brush dry, so as we actually start sucking up a bit of the edges, a bit where we've got the bit of a mesh going on there, right, but it should have sucked underneath by now, right, so I can quickly, maybe getting a cotton wool bud, just a quick sort of wipe over, right, not too much, we don't want to completely suck it out and back from underneath the Photo-etch, but a quick wipe over just to kind of get it out of the mesh area, maybe just around the edges, just to tidy it all up. And you wouldn't sort of know that we've kind of basically put some micro crystal clear down on there, but we've now got it on all the contact points, which is the whole point. And you could do that with so much Photo-etch, instrument display panels, any bit of Photo-etch that you put down, that little sort of nice milky consistency, just to again, just to make sure you've got all that contact points. The whole point is to make it nice and thin, so it sucks in and underneath the Photo-etch, and then you can sort of mop up the mess around the edges and on the top surfaces afterwards.